Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix all the issues related to audio not working. Audio icon is disappeared and it is showing up red hair cross icons. All the solutions in this video, all the errors I will show you how you can fix it. So basically, first of all, this issue occurs due to driver is not installed on your Windows, but sometime it might disable accidentally from your Windows. So how to check that? First of all, open the control panel simply and we will go step by step, basic to advanced steps. And you need to go to category here and then you need to look for large icons. Then you need to look for sound option, and once you see the sound options, you have to check your audio driver is here. If it is disabled, you need to enable that option. If it is not showing up here and there is no driver on your Windows, so what you can do is you can go to device manager and you might see this error, no audio device are installed. This is the remote, but you might see this issue as well. So open the device manager from your computer and look for audio, and you need to update your driver, audio drivers you need to update here. Make sure you're connected with the internet in order to select automatic update. Otherwise you can choose this option, and now select the latest driver and then click on next option. And after that you may have to restart your Windows and it will fix your issue. Additional driver, you can look for sound, high definition audio, right click, update it. The drivers are correlated with others, so make sure you updated your driver, all the drivers like this. Now once driver is installed, you have to restart your Windows from here and it will fix your issue. If this is also unable to fix your issue, what you can do is you can run the troubleshooter on your Windows. Since you are on this page, so you need to look for your troubleshoot setting here, this option troubleshooting, and then you need to look for other troubleshooter. Now look for audio, run it, and these days it will directly go to get help option. Let it run. Give consent to fix the issue. Did you hear the sound to be played during the scan? I said no. It is also checking your audio device driver. Yes, you can choose this option. It will also try to update your driver. Now you can directly go to talk to agent and take help from the Microsoft, but I'm not going to do that. Let's move on to the next method now. In the next method guys, you need to install the driver according to your system's model number. Open here system information. This is very effective, and look for your system model number here. I'm using here the virtual machine, but you need to look for your system model number, and you also open the CMD and type this command to get your serial number, your model number. Hit this command and this will give you the serial number, and look for here Dell drivers. If you are using the manufacturer of Dell, HP drivers. On system hardware, you can also look for your serial number like this. You can enter your serial number here, or you can search your model number here. Dell. You can look for your model number, then search, and once you search it, you need to look for select drivers. Now look for your this device or all the drivers and look for your audio. You can search here. Audio. Now you should able to get your serial number by searching. You should able to get your exact driver, then click on download. So you need to install it and thereafter you need to run it. Install it, restart your Windows and check if that is able to fix your issue. 60 to 70% it will fix your issue, since the driver we have installed is according to our model number and serial number. If nothing works for you guys, sometime what happens, there is a physical button on your keyboard and you accidentally muted your Windows. So you need to make sure that you need to turn it off and press F2 or whatever key is showing up on your laptop. For your reference, I have also shown you the button like this. And also you need to make sure that your window is up to date. Sometime older windows can cause this issue as well. So make sure you have updated your Windows, download all the pending updates, and thereafter you need to restart and update your laptop or PC, and your issue will be fixed after that. I hope guys this guide helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.